Hello, welcome back. This is Alankriti. This video is about my laptop which I recently purchased from Acer. This is Acer Spire Lite and I'll be answering some of the questions like how it works, what are the problems I'm facing, you should buy it or not, and also this video includes unboxing and review, so stay tuned. So this is Intel i3 12th generation 1215U processor. A very big no to gaming on this laptop. This is not a gaming laptop. This is a normal laptop which is used for normal coding, editing and all these tasks. So gaming is not for this laptop. Then एक यूज़र मैनुअल जिसके साथ CD मिल जाती है जो कि लैपटॉप में नहीं लगती, एंड उसके साथ हमें एक क्लीनिंग क्लॉथ भी मिलता है इस लैपटॉप को साफ़ करने के लिए. So now laptop, and the packaging is so good. I haven't seen this good packaging in gaming laptops till now. अब देख लेते हैं कि कौन से टास्क आप लैपटॉप पे आराम से परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. सो मैं कोडिंग की बात करती हूँ. पहले कोडिंग में आप विजुअल कोड आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हो, इंटेलिजेंट आइडिया डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, लाइक जावा डेवलपमेंट किट, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. यू कैन यूज़ इट प्रॉपरली, देयर इज़ नो एनी इशू. And then it comes in grey color with white Acer branding and the full metal body with no plastic. And high profile coding भी आप कर सकते हो regarding any language, any programming you can do. हमें मिल जाता है पावर कॉर्ड, दैन हमें मिलता है 45 वॉट्स का अडेप्टर. बात कर लेते हैं एडिटिंग की. तो एडिटिंग में भी आप 1080p रिजोल्यूशन में इसकी एडिटिंग कर सकते हो, एंड फोटोशॉप आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हो इस पर. लाइक 4K एडिटिंग इस पर नहीं होगी. आप लाइक Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, all these software you can use, they'll work. It's a professional, sleek and good laptop, and if you're a college student, office worker, anyone, you can buy it. एक इशू जो मुझे इस लैपटॉप का लगा, दैट इज़ वॉबलिंग इशू. ये थोड़ी स्क्रीन इसकी वॉबल करती है, तो ज़्यादा नहीं करेगी, थोड़ी सी करेगी, बट इट कैन वर्क. एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ द वेट ऑफ दिस लैपटॉप, दैट इज़ 1.6 kilograms. बात करें कीबोर्ड की, तो ये एक बैकलिट कीबोर्ड नहीं है, तो रात में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. काम वाम करने में आपको दिखेगा नहीं कौन सी की इस्तेमाल है. तो ये लैपटॉप है जो कि आपको लाइटिंग में यूज़ करना चाहिए. Typing experience on this keyboard is too good. Like keys are so smooth, you'll not feel any problem working on this keyboard. With this premium look of this laptop, there comes a big size touchpad with good clicks and very smooth gestures. This is a 180-degree rotating laptop, and speakers is average or below average. I will not say they are good speakers. अब बात कर लेते हैं इसके रैम की, दैट इज़ 8GB DDR4 अपग्रेडेबल अप टू 32GB. SSD की बात करें तो इट्स 512GB विच इज़ अपग्रेडेबल अप टू 1TB. एंड वाईफाई की बात करें तो इट्स कमिंग विद वाईफाई 5 एंड ब्लूटूथ 5.2. वेबकैम की बात करूँ तो इट्स 720p. Now talking about its battery, so this is 36 watt hours की battery, so you cannot expect a good battery backup on this laptop. Just it can, if you are doing a normal task, then you can expect around 2 to 3 hours, or if you are doing some light task with low brightness, then you can expect about 3 to 4 hours of battery backup. Also it comes with good hinges. Like hinges are too good that आपको लैपटॉप खोलने बंद करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. They are well defined and well built. लास्टली आ जाते हैं हमारे पोर्ट्स. लेफ्ट साइड पे आपको दिख जाएगा एक केजिंगटन लॉक, दैन RJ45 लैन स्लॉट, दैन माइक्रो SD कार्ड स्लॉट, 2 USB टाइप A 2.0 स्लॉट, 1 SIM कार्ड स्लॉट एंड अ हेडफोन जैक. राइट साइड पर आ जाता है हमारा पावर इनपुट पोर्ट, एक HDMI पोर्ट, 1 USB टाइप A 3.2 Gen 1 पोर्ट एंड 1 USB टाइप C 3.2 Gen 2 पोर्ट. पीछे से लैपटॉप की बात करें तो ऑल द वेंट्स आर वेल ओपन, दैन आपको हीटिंग की कोई भी इशू नहीं आएगा. एंड फैन आपको दिख रहा है, एंड कूलिंग इसमें बहुत अच्छी है. सो अगर आपका लैपटॉप हीट भी होता है तो कूल डाउन भी बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा, तो आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि मेरा लैपटॉप हीट हुआ था. फिर आ जाता है एक पावर बटन जिसमें लाइट भी जलती है. According to the budget of this laptop, the display is quite decent. It comes with 15.6 inches and it is a full HD display with 1080p resolution, and it is a TFT display with anti-glare, so you can feel like कि आपको साइड से देखने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आएगी. You cannot see the laptop clearly. पर अगर आप आगे से बैठ के डिस्प्ले देख रहे हो तो you will not feel like you are watching a TFT display. So it's this good. And the brightness is about 250 nits. I don't know exactly, but इट्स अबाउट 250 निट्स एंड बाहर भी देखने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. बाहर भी अगर आप लैपटॉप यूज़ कर रहे हो दिस इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिस एंड अंदर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी ही नहीं.
Now let's talk about the accessories I got with this laptop. So first here comes our bag, Acer bag, in which you can keep your laptop, and I would say this is a very much spacious bag. First comes here a front pocket in which you can keep anything you want, but I usually use it for keeping my charger. And here comes a vertical Acer branding on this bag. And now comes our main pocket in which you have a padded bag for keeping your laptop safe and secure. And here comes a small pocket in which you can keep whatever you want. Then here comes a small nat pocket in which you can keep your documents and any other thing. It's up to you totally. Then here it's a bag, and then a bottle keeper in which you can keep your bottle. And then here comes a small pocket for keeping your extra things like headphone and any other thing if you want to keep. Now let's see what more accessories I got with this laptop, and I would say this is the perk of buying the laptop from the Acer store, because all these online shopping platforms don't provide you with all these accessories. They just provide you with the laptop and the charger. First comes our type A to type C cable, and mostly used to transfer data from one device to another. Then comes our laptop cleaner, and then a wired mouse, and this is how it looks. Wire ki length is also pretty much good. Then comes our wireless mouse with Acer branding, and this is how it looks. It's pretty. Then extra headphones, and I used it and it's really decent. Now a mouse pad to keep your mouse and work on it. It's also quite decent. Lastly comes our keyboard protector, and remember it's not sticky, so you have to put it on the keyboard so your laptop doesn't catch any dust. So now I'm answering the questions which I marked in the starting of this video. So the first question is how this laptop works. According to me, this laptop works decent, and not decent, I would say above the expectations in this price range, because 35k laptop, I haven't seen this good laptops in 35k range. So if you want a good coding, good programming and good editing, not a high level editing but a good decent editing, you can go with this laptop. No heating issue, no lagging issue till now. I have been using this laptop from past 3 months, so I know everything about this laptop. I have gone through everything and I didn't feel like this laptop lags anywhere considering the price range of this laptop. So yeah, you can buy this laptop and it works decent and above the expectation of the user. So the second question is what are problems I'm facing. So the first problem is that I'm facing that is a wobbling issue. The screen wobbles a lot. So उसके लिए मुझे कोई पिलो या कोई चीज़ पीछे रखनी पड़ती है स्क्रीन के, जिससे वो वॉबल कम करे, क्योंकि वो वॉबलिंग थोड़ा स्क्रीन पर भी इफेक्ट डालता है एंड हिंजेस भी काफ़ी लूज हो जाते हैं, तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. सेकंड इशू इज़ स्क्रीन का इशू. अगर आप सामने से बैठ के देख रहे हो तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई इशू है, लेकिन अगर आप साइड से स्क्रीन को देख रहे हो तो वो आपको अच्छे से विजिबल नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज़ द सेकंड इशू. एंड थर्ड इशू इज़ कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी सॉफ्टवेयर या फिर कोई हैवी साइट यूज़ कर रहे हो इस लैपटॉप पे, सो यू कैन see a little bit of heating, not little bit but a good amount of heating. So for that try to keep your laptop on the laptop stand. So yeah, these are the 3 issues I faced a lot with this laptop, and other than that I don't feel like I have any issue with this laptop. So the third question is you should buy this laptop or not. So I would say that if you want a laptop in this budget, this laptop is decent and very much efficient for your work. And if you are a BTech student, BCA student, or you're having your BSc in computer specialization, so you can go with this laptop. This will work phenomenal. And if you want any laptop which above this price range, so you can extend your budget to go with this laptop. You will not face any issue in the future. So yeah, these are the questions that I answered, and I think that I've already provided you with the guide that you should buy this laptop or not. And if you feel like that I have missed out with something, then do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this was it for this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.